The common units of weight in the US system are ounces, pounds, and tons. In example 1, we want to convert 196 ounces to pounds. We'll start with 196 ounces, and recall from the previous video, we can write that as a fraction by putting a 1 under it. We don't have to put the 1 there, but sometimes it helps us see the multiplication. Now we want to multiply by a unit fraction. We want to end up with pounds. So we'll put LBS, the abbreviation for pounds, in the numerator, and we want ounces to go away. So we'll put that in the denominator. And now we need to get the correct ratio. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Recognize that we're multiplying by a funny looking 1. 1 pound is 16 ounces, so this unit fraction is rarely representing 1. And we can multiply, and when we do, the ounces will go away, leaving us with pounds. 196 times 1 is 196. 1 times 16 is 16, and we're left with pounds. Let's simplify this using the calculator. 196 divided by 16. We get 12.25 pounds. In part B, we want to convert 3.5 tons to ounces. We'll start with 3.5 tons. Again, we can write that over a 1 if we want. And we don't have a conversion that will quickly go from tons to ounces, but we can go from tons to pounds, and then pounds to ounces. We want tons to go away, so we'll put it on the opposite side of the division bar. We want to go to pounds first, and then we will go from pounds to ounces. Now we just need the correct numbers. There are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. And as we saw earlier, there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Notice the tons units will go away. The LBS or pounds units will go away, leaving us with ounces. And now we have 3.5 times 2,000 times 16, which is 112,000 ounces. So 3.5 tons is 112,000 ounces. In example 2, we want to convert 68 ounces to pounds and ounces. We'll start like usual, 68 ounces, and we want to convert to pounds and ounces. So we're going to convert to pounds first and talk about what to do from there. We know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. This will give us 68 divided by 16 pounds. Again, at this point, the ounces cancels. 68 divided by 16 is 4.25 pounds. Now this is in just pounds, but we want to convert to pounds and ounces. So there's 4 full pounds and a partial pounds. This is the part that we want to convert to ounces. So this is where we're going to go back to long division and show our work for this. 68 divided by those 16 ounces. Notice we have 68 divided by 16. This will go in 4 times. 4 times 16 is 64. Subtract, and we get a remainder of 4. That remainder is actually ounces. So we have 4 pounds and 4 ounces. Next, we want to convert 9 tons and 850 pounds to pounds. Let's focus on just the 9 tons. 9 tons we can convert to pounds. There are 2,000 pounds for every 1 ton. Nine times 2,000 is 18,000. So we have 18,000 pounds in 9 tons. But we also want to add on the 850 pounds, leaving us with 18,850 pounds. In these examples, we want to add the units, starting with 4 pounds, 12 ounces. We want to add that to 7 pounds, 9 ounces. On the right, 12 plus 9 is 21 ounces. And then for the pounds, we have 4 plus 7. That's 11 pounds. 11 pounds, 21 ounces. But we know that 1 pound is 16 ounces. Off to the side, let's take those 21 ounces and divide them by 16, because 16 ounces is 1 pound. 16 goes into 21 one time. Multiply, we get 16. Subtract, we get a 5. So 21 ounces is really 1 pound with 5 ounces left over. So we now have 11 pounds plus 1 pound, 5 ounces. That will give us 12 pounds and 5 ounces. In part B, we have 8 tons, 1,200 pounds, minus 3 tons, 1,900 pounds. We can't take 1,900 away from 1,200, so we need to borrow from the tons. So that will become 7 tons, and when we borrow 1 ton, we're actually borrowing 2,000 pounds, because 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. Now if we add these two, this is 3,200 pounds. 3,200 minus 19, 3,200 minus 1,900 is 1,300 pounds. And we have 7 minus 3, that is 4 tons. So we have 4 tons and 1,300 pounds.